Is your check engine light staring you down and throwing code P2082? Don't panic just yet, because while this sounds complicated, it often comes down to a specific sensor in your exhaust system. This is a generic powertrain code, which means it applies to most vehicles made after 1996, whether you drive a Ford, a Dodge Ram, or even a Mercedes. Specifically, this code points to a problem with the exhaust gas temperature sensor, or EGT sensor, on bank 2, sensor 1. To clear things up, bank 2 is simply the side of your engine that does not contain cylinder number 1. This sensor lives in the up pipe, right before your catalytic converter or the diesel particulate filter if you drive a diesel. Its main job is to monitor heat to prevent expensive damage to your converter. Think of this sensor as a heat-sensitive resistor. It receives a 5-volt signal from your car's computer. As the exhaust gets hotter, the resistance drops and voltage goes up. If it gets colder, resistance goes up and voltage goes down. When the computer sees a voltage that does not make sense, it triggers this code. The symptoms are usually subtle. You will see the check engine light, but you might not feel a major difference in how the car drives, though a diesel might struggle with regeneration. So, how do you fix it? First, you need to get under the vehicle. You are looking for a simple plug with 2 wires distinct from your oxygen sensors. Check the wiring harness for any signs of corrosion, loose terminals, or melted insulation, as these are the most common culprits. If the wires look good, you will need a multimeter. Disconnect the sensor and measure the resistance across the 2 terminals. A healthy sensor usually reads about 150 ohms. If you are seeing less than 50 ohms, the sensor is toast and needs replacing. You can also try a bench test by heating the sensor tip with a hairdryer while watching your meter. The resistance should drop as it gets hot. If the sensor tests fine, check for 5 volts at the connector on the engine side. If you have voltage and a good sensor, the problem might be an illegal modification, like a deleted catalytic converter, which confuses the computer. Always fix this correctly to keep your emissions system legal and your engine running right.